Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and once again here I am with the review of 9th February IELTS test. Now there was a lot of buzz about 9th February that in the test what will happen. I made a prediction video as well and then I made a motivational video for you as well and you guys watched my motivational video. So I've just received two messages. I know it's a little too early. Today it's 9th February and it's 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. right now. I know it's too early but tomorrow I'm gonna be busy so I'll not be able to make a video. That's why I thought I should make this video and I should inform you about that. Anyways, I received two messages. One message I received from Pakistan from my student Kamran and second message I received from India from another student of mine and his name is Rahul and Rahul is overexcited. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to start. And by the way, the test which was conducted in Pakistan, India and elsewhere, that test was same today, right? So anyways, let's take a start. First I'm going to read this message from Rahul. Rahul says, good afternoon sir, I love you a lot. Rahul, I love you too. Now what's the reason to love me? Rahul says, sir, how can you predict same like as today? Alright, thanks a lot and love a lot. My name is Rahul Patel and I am from Ahmedabad and I took my IELTS from IDP. So Rahul is quite happy with my predictions. Okay, let me tell you, I don't have any inside source or any secret source. The prediction is the creation of my mind only. Well, in writing, Rahul got a discussion essay and the topic was, some people think that libraries are not necessary, others think they are useful and all that. And then there was the topic question, discuss both views and give your opinion. So it was a discussion essay about libraries, whether they should be the libraries or they should not be the libraries, and I predicted opinion or discussion essay. Then there was a letter and this letter was about write a letter to a flight manager for problems with the staff member and you should say and all that stuff. So Rahul appeared in general training IELTS, so that's why I got this. In listening, Rahul says in section 1 there were blanks, right? And in section 2 again there were blanks with one word, two word only, right? And there were 4 MCQs. And then in section 3 they were all blanks. And one of my students, Mrs. Itsham, she also appeared in IELTS today and she called me and she said one section in listening had only multiple choice. Like all the 10 questions, they were about multiple choice. So multiple choice was quite popular and I told you that multiple choice will be there. And also in all sections, speaking is slowly, that is beneficial. Okay, he wanted to say that speaking was slow, the speed of the audio was slow, so it was beneficial. And in reading, although Rahul did not write all the detail, but he said true, false, not given. Okay, and list of heading. So true, false, not given and list of heading, they are popular. Let me tell you, I'll make a separate video for 14th February, Valentine's Day IELTS exam, Valentine's Day exam. I'll make a video, prediction video on that as well. Okay, thank you very much Rahul. Second message I received from Kamran. And Kamran appeared in IELTS from AEO. In Pakistan, IDP is operated by AEO. So his writing task 1 was, you recently traveled somewhere by plane. During your trip you had a problem with staff member, write a letter and then you got to complain about that staff member, what happened and all that. Give your flight details, describe the problem you faced during flight, what kind of action you want the airline manager to take and all that. And in task 2 there was a task, some people believe that libraries are no longer necessary while others believe libraries are still perform useful services. So discuss both views and give your opinion. And he says listening and reading, they were quite easy. So this is what happened today You guys need to get ready. I'm making a lot of videos. I'm making some special videos for you on listening and on reading. Please watch all my videos. Now today is 9th of February. Until 14th February, you still have 4-5 days. So in 4-5 days, at least you can watch my latest or my fresh videos on reading and my fresh videos on listening. And then when you have your exam on 14th of February, Shumaila and I, we were talking and we were saying when the candidates are going to go to take their IELTS test on 14th February, their parents will say, IELTS test on 14th February, do you think I'm a fool? Okay, a father will talk like that, okay? But anyways, it's a Valentine's Day test, so you should go in red dress, wear red t-shirt or anything red and all that, okay? It's up to you, just joking. So that's all. Thank you very much. If I receive anything valuable, I'm going to put it in my comment. So if you see my comment, pinned comment, I'm going to write some more there because I don't have time tomorrow. That's why I'm making this video today. So if there is anything else, I'm going to write it down. I'm going to just type it in the comment, my pinned comment. You can check that for details as well. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I run another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You should subscribe to that channel as well. And I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.